Good morning, everyone. Today, let's transform our day with a powerful manifestation morning routine. The way we start our morning can significantly affect our mindset and productivity throughout the day, especially when it comes to manifesting our dreams. Begin with gratitude. Every morning, as soon as you wake up, think of 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude shifts your mindset from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive energy flow right from the start. This could be as simple as being thankful for a sunny day, a good night's rest, or having a roof over your head. Following gratitude, meditation is a powerful tool to clear your mind and focus your thoughts. Even just 5 minutes of guided meditation can help reduce stress and align your thoughts with your manifestation goals. During meditation, focus on your breath and try to let go of any negative thoughts. This practice not only calms your mind but also prepares you to face the day with a positive attitude. After meditating, it's time for affirmations. Stand in front of a mirror and speak your intentions out loud. Use strong, affirmative sentences related to your goals. This could be affirmations like, "I am attracting abundance into my life," or "Today I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy." This practice reinforces your goals and boosts your self-confidence, making you ready to take on the day. Next, visualize your day. Spend a few minutes picturing your day going exactly as you would like it to. From successful meetings and productive work sessions to harmonious personal interactions, envisioning these can help set a blueprint in your mind for your actual day. Finally, set daily intentions. Decide what you want to focus on or achieve today. It could be completing a project, improving a relationship, or taking a step towards a bigger goal. Writing these down can help you stay focused and give you a purpose to strive for throughout your day. Incorporating these steps into your morning can create a positive momentum for manifestation. It's about creating a routine that elevates your vibration and aligns your energy with the universe. Start tomorrow, and you'll soon see how powerful your mornings can become in transforming your life.